Experience macOS 26 on Windows 11. Smooth and faster than stock Windows 11. Based on Tiny 1125H2, completely clean and lightweight. Glass effects run flawlessly. Updates, Store, and Defender continue working. Hi, I'm Neil from HT. Let's check how good or bad is it in performance. Windows 11 fills your start menu with items you never use. It installs apps you never asked for. You deal with clutter that slows your workflow. Now compare that to macOS 26 edition. You get the sleek glass effect and smooth, responsive performance. In settings, there's zero pre-installed junk. No bloat at all. Windows Defender, updates, and the Microsoft Store work perfectly. Let's look at disk usage. A clean Windows 11 setup takes around 32.4 gigabytes before you install anything. Much of that space goes to clutter, background components, and features you never use. Storage fills up quickly. macOS 26 edition, by contrast, uses about 7.7 gigabytes. No bloat, no junk, no unnecessary apps. You get a lean system that keeps your storage free and your PC fast. RAM usage tells the real story. It's the most important measure of efficiency. Windows 11 uses around 2.3 gigabytes on idle with a 4 gigabyte system. macOS 26 edition uses about 1.5 gigabytes after installation. If you install Velotic and enable the RAM cleaner, usage drops to roughly 900 megabytes. Velotic isn't a cleaner, it's a system overhaul. It raises FPS, cuts lag, and keeps your PC running like it's brand new, every single day. CPU and GPU are tuned automatically. Junk files are deleted before you even notice. Hidden slowdowns? Gone in real time. You get over 500 pro-level tweaks, one-click Windows debloat, instant app installs, and smart power management that adapts to how you work or play. It even compresses data safely to free up 70% more space without deleting anything. This isn't a quick fix. It's the same technology used by power users and studios to keep systems fast and reliable. Built over 3 years, tested by thousands, and refined with every update. $19.99 once. Lifetime speed, zero effort. Velotic. Built for performance users who refuse slow. Now we move to the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic, go to the debloat page, and press play. The tool handles everything for you. With one click, your system reaches Tiny 11 speed with no file loss and no broken features. You can check the full guide through the I button and the link in the description. Let's check CPU usage and background activity. Windows 11 runs nearly 150 processes, around 2,000 threads, and about 61,000 handles. Even idle, it stays busy with tasks you don't need. macOS 26 edition runs about 102 processes, 1,287 threads, and roughly 35,000 handles. All core components remain intact, so everything works perfectly. You can make it even lighter by using Velotic. Now let's check Geekbench 6 performance. Quick note, we are the original creators of Tiny 11. Our first release came 1 week after the first unofficial Windows 11 leak in 2021, long before NT-Dev became known. You might wonder how Tiny 11 compares to NT-Dev builds. NT-Dev builds are meant for virtual machines and testing. They explicitly state they are not for daily use. Our builds have a different goal. We focus on safety, stability, and everyday reliability. You avoid the security risks present in third-party builds like Ghost Spectre or X-Lite. On this hardware, stock Windows 11 scores 2,270 in single-core and 5,872 in multi-core. macOS 26 edition delivers higher efficiency, faster execution, and more space for apps and multitasking. It also reduces overheating and throttling by cutting heavy background activity. On the same system, macOS 26 edition scores 2,371 in single-core and 6,294 in multi-core, showing a clear performance improvement. Now let's check Windows Defender. Many people rely on it, some use other antivirus software, and some avoid it because of false alerts. You have full control here. macOS 26 edition keeps Defender off by default so the system stays quiet. You can turn it on anytime. Open the Configure toolbox, go to the Windows Defender section and click Enable. Defender starts in seconds, giving real-time protection with no extra steps. You decide what runs on your PC. Next, let's look at Windows updates. Tiny 11 pauses updates by default. Windows will only install critical security fixes, keeping the system stable and quiet. If you want full updates, open Settings and go to Updates. You'll see the system is fully up to date. You can also pause updates in the Configure app, but this may break the Microsoft Store and other features. This is not recommended. Now let's check the Microsoft Store. It works like a normal Windows setup as long as updates are enabled. macOS 26 edition comes with no extra apps, so you install only what you want. Search for Notepad, Calculator, or Snipping Tool. Click Get. The store installs everything automatically. You can sign in with your Microsoft or Xbox account to access your purchased apps and games without issues. Now, Calculator is installed. It opens instantly and runs smoothly. macOS 26 edition is a premium build designed for users who want the sleek macOS look with security and modern features intact. You get smooth performance, no clutter, and no wasted resources. Free themed builds from random creators online come with risks like malware and unstable systems. For safety, speed, and stability, the premium build is the right choice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This is the Harbor of Tech, signing off.